Hi everyone, I'm Bama.
And I'm BeBop.
And together we're Bama and BeBop, aging out loud. If you are over 50 and you don't want to be left behind by technology, money, healthcare,
You're not alone. We are right there with you. Now, this channel is about learning to use tools like AI, exploring investing without hype, and staying curious, capable, and safe as we age.
we are not experts, but we do have some experience at this aging thing.
Yeah, we're figuring this out just like you in real time.
We want to be honest and true and real about what works
What doesn't,
and what we
we're
are still learning.
If you believe learning doesn't stop just because you hit a certain age,
Well, then welcome to Bama and BeBop's Aging Out Loud. Ta-da! There we go. Bama and BeBop, Bama and BeBop's Aging Out Loud. Bama and BeBop's Aging Out Loud. We should do a little ditty on the, a little ditty with the ukulele.
a little ditty with it.
A little ditty with the ukulele. Ha ha ha.
All right, try that again.